In this video, I will show you how to pay with Venmo on SHEIN. So to do this, you simply want to open the SHEIN website or app and just add to your cart whatever you want to buy using Venmo, and then just go to your cart. And now here you can already see we accept, and one of the options that they do accept is Venmo. So from here, just go and click checkout now, and then if you haven't done so yet, you will need to sign into your account or sign up if you don't have an account yet. And then from here you can enter your shipping address, you can add a coupon code if you have one, and down here under payment method, what you want to do is just set it to Venmo, and now you will see that you are now going to be paying with Venmo, and after entering all your details and clicking on Venmo right there, you will then be redirected, and from there you can pay using Venmo. So now you know how to pay with Venmo on SHEIN. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.